Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we'll learn how to make a Chinese octopus recipe. It's fried with garlic. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare ingredients for this food. Cut one bunch of garlic sprouts. Save them for later. Then cut one red pepper. Save it for later. Cut 6 slices of ginger. Then select 3 slices of ginger. Save them for later. Second, we should wash octopus for this food. Firstly, we should turn the head of the octopus out. Then remove the viscera. If it still has the teeth, we should also remove them. After that, add 1 tablespoon salt to scrub the octopus. It can help us to clean the mucus from the octopus. Then use the water to wash them twice. Save them for later. Next, we should cut octopus. Firstly, separate the head and the feet. Then cut the head into 2 pieces. After that, according to the size of the 8 feet of octopus, cut it into 4 pieces. Then save them for later. Next, we blanch octopus. Firstly, add 3 slices of ginger, 1 teaspoon white vinegar into the pan. Then add enough water into the pan. Use the big fire to boil them. After the water has boiled, add the octopus into the pan and blanch them for 30 seconds. Then put them into the cold water to wash. Then save them for later. Now we can start to fry Chinese octopus with garlic. Firstly, add 1 tablespoon peanut oil into the pan. Use the big fire to heat it. Then add the shredded ginger. Stir fry until fragrant. Then add octopus into the pan. Stir fry it for 2 minutes. Then add 1/4 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1/2 teaspoon white vinegar, 1/8 teaspoon salt into the pan. Stir them evenly. Then add the garlic sprouts and red pepper into the pan. Stir fry until the garlic sprouts are tender. Then we got the delicious Chinese stir-fried octopus. After you taste it, you'll find that the meat of the octopus is very tender and smooth. Hope you can try it at home. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe or like us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.